Madam Achala Singh was saying, you don't have to start being or be reactive कि जब कुछ हो गया, काम खराब हो गया, उसके बाद you are trying to salvage the situation. You have to anticipate, take action in a proactive way, so that if it is opportunity, you have made use of it. If it is a threat, you have stopped it from affecting you. So proactive approach is the need in strategic management. So once all this is laid out in the form of a strategy which has been crafted and people understand it, then very least resistance. Everybody wants to work, everybody is a good person, he wants to do the job, so least. Then it improves strategic communication. सबको पता है कि कॉर्पोरेट हेडक्वार्टर का ये अप्रोच है, बिजनेस लेवल का ये अप्रोच है, फंक्शनल लेवल का ये अप्रोच है, ऑपरेशनल लेवल का ये अप्रोच है. वेयर डू आई फिट इन, व्हाट इज माय रोल, रोल क्लैरिटी एवरीबडी विल हैव एंड आई मस्ट फुलफिल इट, अदरवाइज आई विल गेट ए बैड नेम. सो ऑल दिस इज देयर एंड लोअर लेवल से ऊपर लेवल से अप्रूवल लेकर के अपना काम आगे बढ़ाओ. Resources get utilized, everything is all. है क्या? नहीं, देखो ये थोड़ा मिसमैनेजमेंट हो गया है, ये सुबह से ही हुआ है, कोई बात नहीं. सो ये देख लीजिए प्लीज. है नाउ लुक एट दिस. This what I have spoken to you in a hurry is this. You have to establish strategic int by designing, by using the knowledge of the experts, people. What exactly, what is your vision? It's not that you just write English. It is not English, gentlemen. कि अच्छा ठीक है, मैंने कह दिया प्रीति जी एक विजन लिख के ले आना और मैंने उधर टांग दिया. This is no vision. You have to carry out analysis of your organization, decide for a long-term approach, what you want to achieve, at what pace, what kind of growth you want, what kind of organization you want to be. Not that के English लिख के दे दिया और उधर कर दिया. When I came here, we were then trying to get ISO certification for this institute. So one वेंडर केम टू मी, साहब कल आपको सर्टिफिकेट लटक जाएगा इंस्टीट्यूट में. मैंने कहा ये हाथ जोड़े प्लीज आउट. टुमारो आई विल हैंग द सर्टिफिकेट इन योर ऑफिस, ISO सर्टिफिकेशन. वी डोंट नीड दिस, वी वांट प्रॉपर इंस्पेक्शन, वी वांट प्रॉपर यूके वाला या दूसरे वालों से असेसमेंट ऑफ आवर इंस्टीट्यूट, वी वांट नॉन कन्फर्मेंसेस टू बी टोल्ड टू अस एंड कंप्लीट डिजाइन ऑफ द सिस्टम. And then we, if found suitable, should be given ISO, otherwise we will work till we come up to that level. So this kind of things are there. Don't do that kind of thing, it is a realistic approach. So business definition, objectives, formulate strategies, organizational appraisal, it is done by financial people, HR people, other operational people. It takes time, everybody prepares a report, somebody coordinates it, then put up to the top management at corporate headquarters and they take a realistic view of that. Then corporate level strategies, your business level strategies, strategies at functional level, very important, all these are to be incorporated in the complete strategic plan. Then strategic implementation. Implementation is very important. If you make a beautiful plan and you just do not implement it, either you have not allocated that kind of resources or it has been delayed, was something delayed by somebody, not coordinated, and the whole strategy crumbles. So if the implementation is good, formulation is good, then sure success you will get. But if it is bad planning, good implementation, no success. If it is good plan, Bad implementation, no success. It has to be good plan, good implementation, then only think of the success and approach, reach your goal, to reach your goal. Procedural, resource allocation, changes in the structure, organizations. There are number of types of organizations, departmental, your product, geographical, your matrix, product, project type. Which one do you choose to meet your strategic requirement? All this has to be understood and take decisions. Quality of decisions will depend on what kind of appraisal of a particular aspect of strategic process have you done. Has it been done realistically, or it is just English? And failure of the thing will be too costly, because all that work, time, money spent will go waste. One more thing I'll try to tell you, gentlemen. These are the various levels. You have to work out these strategies. This is done at corporate level, business level, functional level, departmental level, you can call it, and then you have to, at operational level, to operationalize. What is the approaches? You have to do this. ये चलता ही नहीं, क्या बात है? ये तो बंद ही हो गया. Okay, I don't know. See, I like to tell you about SWOT. You have to carry out SWOT analysis. So you have to, there is a list of potential areas which if they are inclined. अरे जरा इसको चलाना बेटा, ये क्या बंद हो गया? क्या mouse? Then you have to consider it as helping in achieving some of the objectives of the organization. Then it is considered as strength. If it is unfavorably inclined, this is called weakness. So there are critical weaknesses in organizations, there are beautiful strengths. Then there are opportunities coming from outside, say threats coming from outside. So it constitutes 4 cells. Now if you look at them using your strengths, you can stop the threats from affecting you. You can utilize your opportunities and strengths to grow in a particular direction, invest more money and grow, have some better profitability. If there are critical weaknesses, and what do? Be defensive. कि जो हमारे पास है कभी वो भी ना चला जाए. So you have to be defensive. So this kind of combinations of, using combination of weaknesses and opportunities and these things, you can have so many combinations, and then it tries to give you, or it facilitates to give you a choice of strategy to be made. This part has to be very carefully carried out. You do it realistically, decide them, have a combination of various things, and then decide whether to follow this course, to follow this course. What is the course? Whether to adopt particular strategy. Strategies could be either you acquire some new firms, you expand, or you remain stable, you don't do anything, whatever little bit you have, do little course correction and just try to keep on maintaining the status quo. I'll just show you, please. This I have explained to you. Anybody? These are the strategies. Here, cell 1. See, numerous environmental opportunities exist. There are substantial internal strengths. So what do? What choice you have? Take initiatives to grow. भाई ताकत भी है, अपॉर्चुनिटी भी है, तुम्हारे घर आ रही है. Take initiatives and grow. Work out a plan, make a project, grow. aggressive growth oriented strategies. You take cell number 2, substantial internal strengths, major environmental threat. तुम्हारे पास स्ट्रेंथ है, एनवायरमेंटल थ्रेट आ गया, दूसरी जगह थ्रेट नहीं है दूसरे एरिया में, सो इसको बेचो, इसको छोड़ो, दूसरे एरिया में मेक डाइवर्सिफाई, उधर यू विल बी एबल टू गेन प्रॉफिटेबिलिटी सून. सो दिस काइंड ऑफ चॉइस यू कैन मेक. Cell number 3, large environmental opportunities, critical internal weaknesses. What do? अपॉर्चुनिटी से वीकनेस को दूर करिए, अपॉर्चुनिटी को करके इंटरनल एफिशिएंसीज बढ़ा के जहां लॉस हो रहा था और खराब हो रहा काम उसको टर्न अराउंड करिए. अगर फिर भी नहीं होता है, सेल पार्ट ऑफ इट. If it is फिर भी नहीं होता है, totally sell it. So this is what the thing is. Fourth, major threats, major weakness, same kind of thing. You have to be defensive कि हमारे पास जो है वो भी कभी चला ना जाए. And you have to arrive at some combinations which is suitable to you. It is a very critical decision making after you have arrived at SWOT analysis, results of SWOT. Now TOWS matrix is again SWOT may not be giving you very beautiful choices. This gives you far superior things. See, internally strengths are there, weaknesses are there. Internally they are both present. Either you are strong or you are weak. Environmental opportunities exist from external environment or threats exist. So based on that you are making combination of strength and opportunities. आपके अंदर स्ट्रेंथ भी है और अपॉर्चुनिटी भी है, क्या करना चाहिए? ट्राई टू ग्रो, डाइवर्सिफाई, सॉरी इन्वेस्ट, increase your level of business. Other combination of weakness and opportunities, you try to control your weaknesses. The strategies developed need to overcome organizational weaknesses if existing or emerging opportunities are to be exploited. So this is giving you a beautiful choice of strategies to be adopted under the given circumstances. So this becomes, I think, in a given firm there are number of businesses. कोई फायदा कर रही है, कोई is giving you lot of profit, some are sick. So you have portfolio of them. You know how many are there. So you have different strategies for different businesses. एक फर्म है उसके अंदर छोटा 10 फर्म्स है. जैसे मान लिया फर्म इज रिलायंस. रिलायंस के अंदर क्या क्या है? टेक्सटाइल है, पेट्रोकेमिकल्स है, इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर है, टेलीकॉम है. तो विच वन इज मेकिंग प्रॉफिट, विच वन इज मेकिंग लॉस, हाउ डू वी बैलेंस इट, किसका पैसा किस में जाना चाहिए, कहाँ से किसको सपोर्ट कर सकते हैं. ऑल दिस एनालिसिस इज डन थ्रू दिस पोर्टफोलियो एनालिसिस. So here main requirement is understand the strategic business unit. Strategic business unit again can be considered as one something like firm. इसका अपना विजन होगा, अपना सीईओ होगा, अपना प्लानिंग होगा, अपने सब चीजें होंगी. तो स्ट्रेटजिक यूनिट वाइज यू हैव टू कैरी आउट एनालिसिस. जैसे आरडाइस के अंदर कितनी स्ट्रेटजिक यूनिट है मिसेस गुप्ता? हाँ, तो यू कैन कंसिडर हिम एज यू आर द सीईओ ऑफ बीबीए, शी इज सीईओ ऑफ दिस, सीईओ ऑफ दैट. आपके ऊपर है, मैं तो यू आर अकाउंटेबल टू मी, बाकी चीजें आप कर रहे हो, तो यू कैन गो दिस. सो एनालिसिस ऑफ द स्ट्रेटजिक यूनिट्स वाइज इट शुड बी डन, बिकॉज होल स्ट्रेटजिक अंडरस्टैंडिंग कैनॉट बी अप्लाइड टू एवरीथिंग by one person. You have to go in a systematic and structured way. So to develop that structured analysis approach, you have to break them into strategic business units. एक्सपीरियंस का कितने लोग किस तरह का एक्सपीरियंस है, उनसे क्या हम एक्सपेक्टेशन है हमारी, क्या वो अचीव कर सकते हैं. दिस हेल्प्स इन improving the quality of the products, cost of the products, and gives you the edge, competitive edge over our rivals. Productive life cycle, product आपकी किस स्टेज में है, is it being introduced, introduction के टाइम आपको बहुत सारी चीज़ें करनी है, पब्लिसिटी करनी है, उसको दिखाना है, किसी को कुछ कंसेशन देना है, you are introducing it, then it grows, you have to further intensify this and you achieve growth, and then it becomes mature after some time कि कोई नई प्रोडक्ट आ गई, आपकी प्रोडक्ट को अभी कोई चाहता नहीं है. So you are in which stage of the product life cycle, based on that also you decide so many strategies. So generic strategy I will talk is of three types which are applicable to any say organization. What is generic? Generic क्या होता है मैडम? The common means universally applicable. Either you can be a low cost leadership strategy could be. आप अपना बोलते हैं जी मैं तो अपनी चीजें सबसे कम भाव में और सबको everybody can buy our products. So either follow that approach or you follow कि हम डिफरेंशिएशन अप्रोच के हमारे प्रोडक्ट्स के अंदर इतने इतने फीचर्स हैं, हम इस तरह का डिस्काउंट देते हैं, हम इस तरह का ये है, इतना परचेज करोगे तो ये मिल जाएगा, इतना परचेज करो तो ये हो जाएगा. दैट काइंड ऑफ डिफरेंशिएशन इज बेस्ड ऑन प्रोडक्ट यू कैन से कैरेक्टरिस्टिक्स एंड सम ऑफ द combinations you can do. Third is the focus. Okay, I do not get involved with competitors, but I find an area where I'll go and sell my things. I'll follow single body product, single approach, and I'll go and focus on that market. So focus strategy will also, you go and sell things in tribal areas where nobody goes. Everybody comes to the big metros और इधर मॉल खड़ा कर देता है और कहता ले जाओ. But you find out that so focused attention, you can do it here also by concentrating on that market where nobody has gone, and you focus on that, you will succeed. So this kind of three things. You can have broad, you can say objective, low cost. Broad, you can say focus, broad objective, and differentiate yourself. Your products may sell if it accepted by the market. Then there are many other things, strategies which can be discussed, and as and when I find time I like to discuss them. How to choose them, under which circumstances should you go for diversification, under which circumstances should you go for disinvestment, when do you want to do forward integration, backward integration, how do you do concentrated marketing, many marketing approaches. Everything being okay, marketing can make difference. Marketing can turn around the company's fate. So with this I would like to thank you for listening to me. I don't know how it has happened. There was little mismanagement in the process, because other day when I went to invite her first day, she refused. Then we thought that she is the right person to come and be with us. I again went to her and she was very magnanimous to agree to my request. But from the time she got down from the car, she was getting calls after calls and this, and she could not come early. She had large number of guests in her house. So because of that, our time 1.5 hours or rather 3 hours, we could have started at about say 9:30, and by 12 o'clock I would have finished, and then Dr. Naik would have taken. Now I leave it to Dr. Naik, Which strategy will he like to adopt now given these conditions? Thank you, ladies and gentlemen. I want a very fair answer from you. Have you got